I have something cool to show you. This is Mtn Dew Flamin Hot. I'm doing an unboxing of it. And I've gotten the Cake Smash that originally came in the Dew store too. And they all have this nice cool tape right here. It's Mtn Dew Flamin Hot, so you know exactly what's in it. Gonna be excited to be opening up and trying this one. You gotta see what, here it is. So let's do it. I ended up buying 2 cases of these. They cost $12 for each case plus shipping. You get 6 cans. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this and reviewing it for you guys. Of course, I wanted to do an unboxing. Oh, yes. Just like the Cake Smash. This is beautiful looking like advertisement card, which you know I'll definitely be keeping these. Here's to the bold. Because here in your hands lies the first ever spicy, citrusy, too wild not to like it, Mtn Dew Flamin Hot. That's right. We built on the success of the world's favorite Flamin Hot snacks to create a dew that bites back. You're bold enough to buy it. Now it's time to try it. Mtn Dew. Awesome. Look how cool that is. Oh yeah. Oh. Look at this. That is a cool looking can. See if I can get it to focus on that. Look. That is a beautiful can. Look, caution, flamin' hot taste. Awesome. So we'll see which one of these I get up first. Whether it's the unboxing or the review. That is cool. Okay. This is how it comes. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. Just want to do a quick unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Bye.